Now that we have our authentication ready, we will log into our app. And we will start building our dashboard components. We will first start by building a card component, which we will use for all our dashboard sections. So let's do that. We will fast forward with creating the necessary Tailwind component, the card component. Which for now, it has a title, subtitle, and children's hard-coded. And we will replace our dummy content of the dashboard. Let's import our card component. As we can see, we have our component displayed in the dashboard. And now, we should be able to use this card component and add some properties that we can pass from the dashboard. We will create an interface for the card component. And we will have the following properties: the title, which is a string, the subtitle, which is also a string, and an optional class name, which is also a string. We can first add the class name to our Tailwind card. Then we can replace our title, our subtitle, and of course we can add the children. And now, as you can see, the component is empty because we need to pass those parameters. We will start by creating an account info card. And we will also pass some children. Let's start with displaying the address. We want to display the balance also, the shard of the address, and the hero tag. we will import all the necessary information from the Use Get Account Info hook. And we will add the title to our list. For the address, we can use the trim component from SDK DApp, which will trim our address according to the screen width. We can use the format mount component from SDK DApp in order to display the denominated balance. We add the shard, and we can also add the username, which is the hero tag. Or, if there is none set, we can just add some string, not applicable string, like that. And now we have our account details. One thing that we can do is to maybe center this content a little bit using Tailwind. And let's try to maybe make it a little bit responsive also. Looks better. Now that we have the address here in our dashboard, maybe we can remove it from the nav bar. Looks like it's no longer needed here. Okay, so now that we have this new account info component, maybe we can extract it into a new file. We will use this as a section in our dashboard.tx. And we'll just take this content, use it in our account info component. Of course, we'll use the imports as well. Perfect. So that defines our account info section.